Guys, this is Pinnacle, a brand new Middleman app which has generated us a passive $795.10 every 24 hours on complete autopilot. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy to follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Find. Pinnacle lets you find out what people around the world are searching, so you can identify if the services you plan to offer over the web it's a profitable drop servicing opportunity. You simply need to type the service of your choice. Select the country, time length, category, and search engine, and hit on the search button. And be able to see rising related topics, which are related topics with the biggest increase in search frequency since the last time period. Results marked breakout had a tremendous increase, probably because these topics are new and had few, if any, prior searches. Top related topics, which are the most popular topics. Scoring is on a relative scale, where a value of 100 is the most commonly searched topic, and a value of 50 is a topic searched half as often as the most popular term, and so on. And interest by region, where you will be able to see in which location your term was most popular during the specified time frame. Values are calculated on a scale from 0 to 100, where 100 is the location with the most popularity as a fraction of total searches in that location. A value of 50 indicates a location which is half as popular. A value of 0 indicates a location where there was not enough data for this term. With this quick and easy to find valuable information, you will be able to identify highly profitable drop servicing opportunities. Step 2. Build. Pinnacle lets you build your own drop servicing website, starting with finding the proper business name. Do you realize how hard it is to come up with business name ideas? With Pinnacle's Name Finder you will be able to find the perfect business name in just seconds. You just need to type a few seed keywords to use as reference, and click on the Generate button. And you will get some awesome business name ideas in just seconds. But not only you will get to find the perfect business name idea, but also you will be able to find an available domain name for it, so you can buy it right away. And besides finding the perfect business name, we have provided you with an awesome and easy to use website builder. You simply need to click on the New Website button. Be able to preview our beautiful, professional, and easy to customize templates targeting all kind of profitable online angles. Give it a name. And create it. And there you see it. A beautiful, professional, easy to customize website created in just a click. Look at all these eye-catching elements. Do you realize how expensive and time-consuming it is to create a page like this from scratch? And customizing it is as easy as clicking on an element and editing it without touching a single line of code. You can save your changes and view it clicking here. How cool is that? And you can do exactly same with all of the rest of the templates. Step 3. Advertise. For advertising your drop servicing website, we have you covered as well. In the Advertise tab you will be able to access 2 of our best traffic generation solutions. Middleman, a YouTube marketing app which will let you get the most of YouTube on behalf of your drop servicing business. And Sparks, a Pinterest marketing app which will let you get the most of Pinterest on behalf of your drop servicing business. You will be shocked on what these apps are capable of doing, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Pinnacle, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with Pinnacle the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use a brand new Middleman app which has the potential to generate you a passive $795.10 every 24 hours on complete autopilot, then try Pinnacle today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.